Sanibonani ngani zakwethu ugodole okankomgodolo umfana udaba niyalwazi. One bread, one family. Yey, uyabona lemgulu ukuthi iANC iphelelo ushuni ilahlekelo ushuni iphelelo ushatini. Bantu basemzansi niyabona ukuthi uANC unenza iphukuphuku kangakanani. Angeke usaphinda unenzele lutho. Kungani benganiqashi beze bezosho one bread one family ngabe bayaniqasha ebese lo bread abakhuluma ngawo ebese nithengela nina. Shuthi kufanele ngaso sonke isikhathi fune kube one bread one family. Imgulukudu eyilezinto amasela awana nembeza axhaphaza abantu ubukhome kubuka wonke umuntu. Njengoba bethi one bread one family bakhuluma ngevoti lakho mntanami, bakhuluma ngevoti lakho mntakama, uyezwani? Ana nembeza lezinto uyezwa ubafowethu. Ake siqedeni ngeANC manje, ake siqedeni ake siqedeni ngale mgulukudu one bread one family. Hlunguke lento engiyibone lapha, very painful lento yo one bread one family. uANC ukhombisa ngokusobala ukuthi imgulukudu engananembeza ifana no president wayeANC uCyril Ramaphosa umgulukudu. Ngayisho lento madoda. Yey, masele ANC mgulukudu. Awuthi ngithule napho ngicishe ngikhiphela igabele.
Siphile ezikhathini ezehlukile kunezikhathi ezaziphila omkhulu bethu nobaba bethu. Siphile esikhathini se-social media lapho khona wenza into endaweni ethize kodwa ibonakala izwe lonke. Kunama-video be-circulated asikhulumile ngawo izolo lapho abantu be-ANC bebehlela khona ukuzokhohlisa noma ukuzoxhaphaza abantu bakithi noma abantu abamnyama abahluphekileyo ukuze babavotele. Siyazi ukuthi eminyakeni edlule sekunesikhathi ANC mase kuza ama-elections uma i-campaigner ikhipha abantu abangasebenzi bazothembisa abanye abantu abangasebenzi umsebenzi. Bathembisa abantu umsebenzi, bathembisa abantu ama-RDP, baye door to door, ubone behamba behambela izalukazi, bafe bagcwale baxoxe nazo, uzubona nje labantu banozwelo nabantu basho inkinga ezibakhungethe, abanye basho ukuthi abanamanzi, abanagesi, banankingani, bekubike konke abangase bekubike ngoba benethemba lokuthi njengoba bekufikile nje ubuholi be-ANC kukhona izinto ezizokwenzeka. Kodwa emveni kokuba nje edlulile ama-elections wawina lo wena, ngisho ukuthi abuye nje ezobonga-ke lothu uzomgcina ngalolo suku. Ngakho-ke kule viki esisuka kulo sibona into engakaze ngayibona empilweni yami. Ikhampeyini ye-ANC ngoba bebona ukuthi amasu okurobha abantu abamnyama abahluphekile futhi awasekho. Veni kokuthi ama-video lawa ayasabalala kakhulu kwakhulunywa ngawo ku-social media. Secretary General we-ANC yokufikela embalulo ukhipha ama-letter awu-2. Enye bayibhalela umphakathi nenye ebhalelwe u-Deputy Minister. Kodwa manje bazama ukuziqhelelanisa bona as ANC kule campaign le ebikhona ye-one bread one family. Phamba sifundekela ama-letter awu-2 abhalwe i-ANC. Ngifisa kuqala ukukukhumbuza. Ngizokukhumbuza ngizokudlalela ama-video wakhona ngikukhumbuze ukuthi bekuthiweni ukuze masifunde iletha wazi ukuthi kukhulunywa ngani.
Because now ku door to door ngeke uye ne street sheet ubuza abantu ukuthi nina amanzi bazokushaya. Ubuza abantu ukuthi nihlala nibangaki la kulomkhukhu nabhalisa nini RDP bazonishaya abantu. And there's no way we are going to say kokong a t-shirt manje. People are not going to accept a t-shirt. Bazokubuza ukuthi bayipheke yini. Why? Because ourselves we know that people are unemployed. So we need to go and think out of the box. Because you are branch leaders, what are we going to do? Because it can't be about talking. By now, we're supposed to be knowing comrades. Kuthi masiqala door to door. Angithi nyalo bathe makavuke emengamakwayikwayi ama structures where ima elections angisho. Sekunema ZTT coordinator vukile ama BT coordinators phumile zonke ipoko ema wardrobe. Bathi siye grounding siyokokota.
We are here from the ANC, One Love, One Family, from the ANC. Ne? ANC, there is life. So, One Love means a lot. Ne? Thank you. Siyabonga kumama Bernie Swarts. Ne? Yeah, Deputy Minister.
Deputy Minister Bernie Swarts, ANC PTT member. Uthi uSherry Sonka nani? Yeah, makasinike siyo.
Impela they are thinking out of the box manje. Ngoba lebe beyenza eqaleni ama-food parcel nama-t-shirts nokuthi kuqoqwa abantu baculelwe ingoma zomzabalazo bakhunjuzwe ngeinsuku ze-apartheid ayisasebenzi manje ngoba abantu ofuneka abavota abazi nokuthi kwakwenzakalani ngesikhathi se-apartheid so abarelate awukwazi-ke ukuba manipulator ulobe uthi hey sanilethela inkululeko kungenxa ye-ANC labantu bakuzalwe kuvela izwe likhululekile ma yini ozobatshela yona ngomzabalazo batshele ngento abayibonayo batshele ngento abazokwazi ukuyibona nansi into ethize manje ayikho-ke into engasho i-ANC ngoba imigwaqo yethu inama-potholes asinamanzi empompini akuqali ngalo mama ukuthatha usizi labantu kwenziwe icampaign ngalo yangixaka nje i-ANC masikhipha lamaletha ngoba yena ufikile Mbalula wakwakhuluma kanje.
What is your commitment on water as the ANC to South Africans?
No, we are not going to answer commitments now. We will answer that when we get to the elections campaign. At the present moment, we are fixing what is broken. We have made a commitment and a pledge to South Africans. So we are on that pledge. So whether or not we will fail on that pledge, you can ask us that question at the moment we launch our campaign. At the present moment, we have convened a working meeting to fix our problems. And PEMI is responding to that from a side of government, what efficiently they are doing. And the ANC expect water to be a top priority of government because it affects our people.
Esikhathi wena amanzi awunawo empompini kodwa i-ANC izokhuluma ngenkinga nangama-plans okuresolva le nkinga onayo wena yokungabi namanzi ngesikhathi sebe-campaigner for ama-elections. Angingasho lutho asifunde naso statement esivela kuMbax. A statement i-ANC isikhiphe ngomhla ka-11 kuMarch 2026. Isihloko sithi ANC distances itself from misuse of food parcels for political publicity. The African National Congress, ANC, has noted with serious concern the circulation of social media images depicting the distribution of food parcels while displaying the name, colors, and the branding of the ANC by Comrade Bernie Swarts, a member of parliament and deputy minister. These images create false impression that the activity form part of an ANC official program or campaign. The ANC wishes to state categorically that the distribution reflected in these images is not an ANC campaign and was not authorized by any structure of the organization. The organization therefore distances itself from these actions and emphasizes that the activity was not undertaken under the mandate or authority of the ANC. The ANC recognizes that many of its members across the country play an important social responsibility role in their communities by assisting vulnerable households and supporting local initiatives. Such acts of solidarity reflect the values of Ubuntu and service to the people that define the movement. However, members are reminded that acts of charity or community assistance must never be conducted using the ANC name, colors, or branding, nor should they be presented as organizational programs when they are private initiatives. The movement further underscores the assistance to communities must always uphold the dignity and respect of the people and must never be conducted in a manner that may diminish their humanity. The organization has taken internal steps to address the matter and reprimand the comrade involved together with those who participated in the activity under the ANC banner without authorization. The ANC called on all members, organizations, and individuals to refrain from misusing the ANC name and symbols, particularly in ways that undermine the dignity of communities or mislead the public. The movement remains committed to advancing lasting solutions to poverty, unemployment, and inequality, in line with its historic mission to build a better life for all. Letter isibili ebhalelwe Deputy Minister ithi Bernice Swarts, Dear Comrade Bernice, isihloko sithi reprimand on your public utterances. As per our telephonic conversation, the social media space is abuzz with the utterances you made on a campaign supposedly distributing 1 loaf of bread per family in the name of the African National Congress. As you will know, this campaign on distributing 1 loaf of bread per family was not sanctioned by the ANC and furthermore brought the organization into disrepute. This therefore serves not only to reprimand you against what you have been engaged with in this regard, but also to direct you to stop this campaign, as it is not only detrimental to the organization, but also an insult to the indigent in our communities. You therefore directed to desist from initiating any other similar campaigns that may bring the ANC into disrepute. Since 1994, the ANC-led government has been in the forefront of a number of social transformation programs with specific measures undertaken towards elimination of poverty amongst our people, such as social grants for the elderly, children grants, grants for those with disabilities, feeding scheme at selected school, support for scholar transport, access to health for all, NSFAS for students in higher education, housing for those who cannot afford own shelter, and a lot more. Therefore, any campaign must be premised on what government and the private sector must do to eliminate poverty and inequality, and not piecemeal efforts that insult the dignity of our people, where individual initiatives are undertaken, inclusive of those by the structures of the organization. They must not undermine the dignity of our people, irrespective of their socio-economic status. Yours, comradely, Fikile Mbalula. Ubona ukuthi lena i-PR stunt ngoba bese bekhulumile efonini, isizathu sokuthi abhalele letter uFikile Mbalula bekuyisiphi? Noma ufuna ukukhombisa umphakathi ukuthi ya kukhona inyathelo esizithathayo against lo mama ngoba wenza into esingayithandi. Uyasho naye kwiletha njengoba bese sikhulumile telephonically. Usezwileka ngithi le iqondene nalo mama. Senivezile uhlangothi lweni ukuthi nina njenge-ANC anihlangene nendaba ze one loaf one family. Isidingo sokubhala le letter yesibili oyibhalela lo mama isiphi ngoba sowukhulumile naye efonini isiphi. So i-PR stunt le lana i-damage control ukuthi abantu sebeyalazi iplan lethu. Akwazi phela ukuthi umama lo angakhuluma ngalento kanti naye umbalula wakhuluma ukuthi indaba yamanzi neyixazululo bazosikhuluma mase becampaign. Why kufane? Thatha usizi labantu lwenziwe i-campaigning tool. Ngicela ukuzuphala kwakho la comment section. Ngizwe ukuthi ubona kanjani kodwa lento yenziwa ufikile mbalula la uyazi naye ukuthi PR stunt ngenxa yokuthi udaba lolu selivele lasabalala ku social media. Sebeyabona manje kufuneka benze damage control. Hayi ngoba kukhona inyathela abazosithatha noma yini abangayenza manje bazoyenza ngoba benzela ukuthi abantu bababuke sengathi kukhona abakwenzayo bona abahlangene nalento kanti into yabo nje kwa-ANC. Mina ngibuza ukuthi ngoba besekhulumile naye efonini izathu sokuphinda abhale iletha kanje esani sokuthi akhombisa abanye ukuthi ngiyangibona ukuthi kunenyathelo engizithatha ngoba lo mama udicilela igama le-ANC phansi. Hayi cela ukuzwa ngawe mina nawe sidibane kwivideo elandelayo ngiyabonga.